Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Adobe Express to make TikTok templates with your brand. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening Adobe Express on your device. Log into your Adobe account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, click on the Create New Project button. From the project types, select Instagram post or social media graphic. This will give you a canvas suitable for TikTok dimensions. Choose a template that reflects your brand style. You can also start from scratch by selecting a blank canvas. To customize your template, click on any element to edit. Change the text by double-clicking and typing your own message. Adjust the font style and size from the Options toolbar. To upload your brand logo, click on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Drag and drop your logo into the designated area. Resize and position it as needed. Next, change the background color by clicking on the background area. Select a color that aligns with your brand identity. Add images or shapes by clicking on the Photos or Shapes options. Now, it's time to include animated elements if desired. Click on the Animation option within the right sidebar. Choose an animation style that suits your content. Preview your design by clicking on the Play button in the upper right corner. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the Download button. Select the appropriate file type for TikTok, typically MP4 for animated content. Save the file to your device. Finally, open your TikTok app and upload the template you just created. Adjust any additional settings in TikTok before posting. Your branded template is now ready to engage your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.